If your hair feels dry, frizzy, or just not as smooth as you want, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down 5 simple steps you can follow to make your hair look healthier and softer without expensive products or complicated routines. Cleanse the right way. Healthy hair starts with clean roots, not stripped roots. When you wash your hair, spend at least 1 minute massaging your scalp using only your fingertips. This removes dirt, sweat, and oil buildup, but in a gentle way that keeps your natural oils balanced. And here's a small trick. Rinse with lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water opens your cuticles too much and makes frizz worse. Condition with purpose. Conditioner is for your lengths, not your scalp. Apply it from ears down and slowly comb through with your fingers. Leave it on for a few minutes so your hair actually absorbs the moisture. If your hair gets tangled easily, focus on the ends the most. Ends are the oldest part of your hair, they need the most care. Gentle drying routine. Most damage happens when our hair is wet. So instead of rubbing your hair with a towel, press and squeeze the water out gently. Use a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, they're much kinder to your cuticles. Protect before styling. If you use heat, even once a week, this step is a must. Always apply a heat protectant before blow drying or straightening. It forms a shield around each strand and helps prevent dryness and breakage. You don't need maximum heat for your hair to look good. Nighttime hair care. What you do before sleeping decides how your hair looks the next morning. Switch to a satin or soft pillowcase if you can. It reduces friction and frizz. And if your hair gets tangled easily, tie it in a loose braid or a soft low ponytail. Try these 5 steps for 1 week and you'll see a real difference. If you want a hair growth routine, curly hair routine, or a 7-day challenge video, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple hair care tips.